Hello everyone, we are now in Aswan. We have come by flight from Cairo to Aswan, and now we are passing through the Aswan Dam and are on our way to the Nile cruise. This is the Aswan city. We are passing through the Aswan Dam. This is our room, rather cabin of the cruise Concerto Plus. This is the washroom, and there's freezer, locker, towels, and place to keep the luggage. নাইল ক্রুজে আমরা আছি, নাইল দিয়ে যাচ্ছি। আসওয়ান শহরকে ছেড়ে দিয়ে চলে এলাম আমরা। এটা ইস্ট ব্যাংক, ওই দিকটা ওয়েস্ট। আমরা কিছুক্ষণ পরেই ছাদে যাব সানসেট দেখতে। This is the view from the deck, the dusk, and the Nile. It's beautiful. This is the west bank of the Nile, and here we can see the sunset, and this is the deck. We are having tea here. In the evening they serve tea on the deck, and this is the east bank. This is the east bank. It's truly lovely to spend time here on the deck of the Nile cruise. Here there's place to rest and a small swim. The setting sun on the Nile is truly mesmerizing. Beautiful. This is the Nile where the Egyptian civilization grew up on its banks. We have read in history books and now we are seeing it. It's really marvelous. Some entertainment on the cruise after dinner. Good morning. We are on our way to the Simbel Temple. It's a long way, and here we can see agriculture in the desert land. This is Tushkar city, where a new township is being built and agriculture is being developed in the desert. This is a canal or you can call an artificial river, all diverted from the Nile. We can see the cultivation here in the desert. It is in the midst of the desert. We are on our way to the Abu Simbel Temple. Huge. Here, sprinklers are used for irrigation. All the water are coming from the Nile. The Nile has been diverted into canals and then developed irrigation. This is Lake Nasser. It's a man-made lake, huge one. And all the irrigation is done from here.
Okay. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 8. Okay. Hello. Beep, beep, beep.
We are at Abu Simbel Temple beside the Nasser Lake, and we are in these buggies. Huge lake. সেই বিশাল বড় লেক। This is the lake which is made from the Nile. The Nile is cut and the lake is created. This is the Abu Simbel Temple, and you can see Ramesses II, and there is a temple for the queen too. We are at Abu Simbel Temple. This is Ramesses II, the corner one. Queen with the queen, Ramesses II. Here we can see Ramesses offering to Ra, the sun god. Beautiful paintings, inscriptions here. The whole area of the Abu Simbel Temple, and this is the Temple of Ramesses II. This is the Temple of the Queen. This is the Aswan Dam and the beginning of the Nasser Lake. This is Aswan University. This is Nile river. We have left Aswan just now. Now it's sailing to Edfu. Lunch done already. Today we had seafood soup, some vegetarian items. This is the local rice and prawns. There was seafood. This is grilled fish. This is chicken. This is beef. There's a dessert section here. Peaches, strawberries, fresh fruits. A live counter. Chef making chow mein, noodles. This is the salad counter. Good morning. It's quite early and so it's dark. We are at Edfu. We are on a horse carriage here to Edfu. Park here at Edfu and it's early morning. We are going on a horse carriage to the Edfu Temple. We have reached Edfu Temple and this is a huge crowd gathered to enter the temple, and there's a huge queue. The gates have not yet opened. The sun rising and slowly we will be entering the Edfu Temple. We are on the Nile cruise. This is the second day. This is how they buy.
Tablecloth, towers, something shawls. Hey, what do you like it? Excuse me, what do you like it? Hello, hello, hello.
This is another cruise.
Hello, 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 hello.
See how they are selling and buying. Ready to catch? Yes. Got it. This is another cruise. We are on the deck of our cruise and we can see this is another cruise sailing. The Egyptian flag.
Hello, 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 hello. Hey, darling. Okay, put the towel. Okay. I have many colors, darling.
from our cabin balcony. We are in the Nile cruise. This is River Nile. Left Edfu. Now we are moving towards the Esna lock. It's a lock where crews will line up and move, will cross the lock one by one.
यहाँ पर एक लॉक है, वो सेकंड लॉक है। वो गाड़ी जा रहा है ना, गाड़ी जा रहा है जहाँ से, वो सेकंड वाला लॉक जहाँ से गाड़ी जा रहा है ऊपर में ब्रिज है, ब्रिज जहाँ से छोटा सा
We are in our deck now, and yes, we are waiting for a turn in the second lock gate, Esna lock gate. One cruise has entered and it is locked. It will raise the level of the water and it will float. Then we'll have our turn. We are waiting for our turn. Lock. The river water's level is reduced so that we can cross we need the bridge. We are crossing Asna lock. This is the second Asna lock. To cross one by one. So it's taking a lot of time. Here we cross the Aswan. Crossed. Last day at the cruise. Beautiful cake there. Brownies. Oh, today's dessert section is awesome. This is the live counter. What's there for the live counter? Salmon?
Salmon.
Yeah, salmon. This is the salad section, beautifully decorated. Full house here. Chicken fajitas, chicken, roast beef, grilled chicken, pizzas. Savoy Today is the last night in the cruise, and here there's belly dancing and some more entertainments. হেভি হয়ে গেল